Top notch body, whip your ass into shape. Running circles, run a track, baby, it's okay. I know you out of breath and you sweating at your lace, but trust me, when you lose this weight, you gon' be straight. We gon' work on high knees, we gon' do some legs. Hey, you guys. Hey, welcome to my channel. I am Ebony J. Yes, so I know I've been MIA because I've been getting a lot of stuff done. I'm trying to get a lot of stuff accomplished. I'm trying to start new things. You see what I'm saying? Check out my music. Today we're gonna be doing a fitness video, and y'all hear that? Anyways, today we're gonna be doing a fitness video, and we're gonna be doing stretching. We're gonna do a couple drills, and might do a little fun, I don't know, something, but I'm finna work y'all ass the fuck out because it's summertime and we need y'all in shape. Like, it's easy. I'm telling y'all, it's really easy. Like, it's really easy to lose weight. All you gotta do is train. So just follow me step by step like we usually do, you know what I'm saying? And let's get this shit on the roll, okay? So this is the first one. We're gonna start off with stretching, and then we're gonna do drills, and then I'm gonna make y'all sweat. Like, that's my job. As long as you sweat, we good. As long as you out of breath, we good, okay? Okay, y'all ready to do some basic stretching? The stretching don't take long. Today we're gonna do two times each stretch. Very simple. Make sure our legs don't cramp up, and then yeah, so let's go.
I don't know why I just jumped like that.
Y'all can see me. Hey, top notch body, whip your ass into shape. Okay, so the first stretch we're gonna do, legs together. Don't bend your knees. If you go here, that's fine. If you go here, that's fine. And if you touch the floor, that's fine. I haven't touched the floor in a long time, so it hurt, but I'm gonna still touch the floor because I know it's gonna help. So down, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Woo! Y'all so excited to be like doing this again. I gotta stay consistent because I be getting sidetracked. A lot of stuff be happening to me unexpectedly. Like, I don't be messing with nobody and stuff just come my way and find me. Okay, the next drill.
I definitely meant next stretch.
Over left. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I like this. I'm in the shade. I could be loud. Left over right. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Right over left again. Down. 1.
Top notch. It's back out here. Top.
Okay. Spread them. Spread them things. Spread them as far as you can. Woo. Okay, that's the farthest I could go. We're gonna go to the left first, then the right, then the middle, to the left, to the right, then the middle, okay? To the left, down. You should feel it right in your hamstrings, in your calves. It should be pulling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. To the right. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. You're gonna be right that thing in no time, ladies. Okay. Down to the left. Down.
Get the most, got the less.
Top notch body, whip your ass into shape. Running circles, run a track, baby, it's okay. I know you out of
10. Top notch body, whip your ass into shape. Running circles, run a track, baby, it's okay. I'm happy, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm just happy. All right, so sit, legs straight, feet together. You either touch your ankles or your toes. Ankles, toes. If you touch your ankles, I'm gonna need you to grip them and pull yourself down like I'm doing, just like this, and just keep it there, okay? Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Shake them things. Whew. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a fucking bird. It's here. Y'all scared
I'm scared of birds for real. And that didn't do shit except make me more scared.
Okay, it flew away. Okay. Okay, it's gone. All right. In the middle, whew, spread them as far as you can. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down the middle. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Back to the left. Woo. Boy, y'all thighs gonna be so fine when y'all finish. Woo! All right, let's get to these drills. All right, that stretching is done. The first drill we're gonna do is high knees. We're gonna do 60 seconds 2 times. Okay, ladies, let's go. Woo. Y'all ready? Okay. These is high knees. Go on your own pace. Okay? The key
Oh shit, I almost
high
fell.
knees is trying your best to stay on your tippy toes. Okay? We need them calf muscles strong. We need them thighs strong. You know what I'm saying? We need all this tight. Feel me? See? See the difference? We need that. Okay. Let's go. On your march. Whew. Get set. 60 seconds. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Get my thighs tight, nice and right, and my booty up in place. Top notch body with a top notch face. I'm outside bare face. Sit ups and push ups up next. I hate. I don't wanna get fit no more, but you gotta lose this weight. You came too far to give up. Now get your attitude in place. Ain't no soft shit, no negativity. Gon' bite your way. I came here to get the job done and help you on your way. If you don't want help, get out. Don't waste my time today. Top notch body, whip your ass in
Tippy toes. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Woo! Fuck. You can take a fucking break. 30 seconds. Woo! Alright, y'all get a 30-second break. Them high knees is not no joke. Like, get the fuck here. If you're not in this video, get here now so you can lose this weight. We got a lot of catching up to do, ladies. We don't got no time to waste, no time to spare, no, none of that. All right, 30 seconds up. Next step. Woo! All right, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Whew, shit. Whew, fuck.
Get up. Don't bend over.
All right.
Get up.
I know y'all tired, because I'm tired. Okay? I'm tired. But after this first week of doing this, you ain't gonna be tired next week. You feel me? You're not gonna be tired next week. If you keep doing this and keep the same pattern, you're not gonna be tired. Your body gonna get immune to it, and you're gonna be wanting to do more stuff. It's gonna become addicting. So I'm telling y'all, just trust the process. 1 minute break, okay? All right, so next drill is going to be squats. We're gonna do 25 squats 2 times, okay?
What the fuck just happened?
So squats, you don't want your legs too far apart and you don't want them too close. You want them the same length as your hands, as your arms. Just like this. Okay? And you can do like this. You can do like this. Shoot. Or you can just stand like this. Or you can put your hands on your hip. That'll do too if you like struggle with having balance and stuff. So me, I keep my hands in the air. So I'm just use this ball.
Yes, body. Yes.
Okay. 25. Let's go. 1. Keep your back straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, stomach in, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost there, 19, come on, 20, 21, 22, 23, come on, 24, 25, woo, shit. I know y'all legs was tightening up, because mine was too, but it's okay, because we're going to do what it do. Hey. Alright, so squats 2 times, 25 times each. So 25 squats, 2 times, 2 sets. And